Yeah, I see you got that new Mercedes. I might let you drive me crazy. Usually I ain't the type to stay, cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life.
3, 2, 1, go.
Are you listening? Hear me talk, hear me sing. Open up the door. Is it less? Is it more? When you tell me to beware. Are you here? Are you there? Is it something I should know? Easy come, easy go. Not in your head. Don't hear what I said. I can't communicate when you wait. Going late. I try to talk to you, but you never even knew. So what's it gonna be? Can you hear me? I'm so sick of.
Gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get all out. Yeah, I need all out. I feel like I did too much.
Didn't have to know it, keeping me in the moment. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so?
How to draw a realistic bubble. First, you need some black paper and a white pencil. Next, draw a circle and outline it in white. Also, the paper needs to be black, otherwise the bubble will not look clear. Next, draw these two rectangular shapes opposite each other and then fill it in with an ombre effect from white to the darkest color. These colors don't matter too much. I decided to go with blue and yellow. Next, lightly go around the edges and shade with colors yellow, orange, and red. Next, just go around the edges and add some random shapes that go along with the bubble's circular shape, just so that it adds detail. Lastly, add in some little highlights. Then add in some sparkles here and here, and then you're done.
One, two, three, let's switch this up. Spin on my coupe with a top, riding along, he up in the stars. He know I don't fuck with lames, now he calling cause he wants some top. Told him I ain't like that, he said he loves me and he likes my style. Said it's gonna be swollen for a while, maybe a bit, maybe for a while. I said, fuck you mean, boy, man up and take this shit clean, boy. Such a sublime boy, acting all tough when you cheat, boy. Wild in the